Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this short tutorial, I'll teach you how to fix DeepSeek AI not working on iPhone. So let's get started the video without wasting any time. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. Just make sure your iPhone is connected to a strong and stable internet. This kind of issue usually happens when the internet connection is weak or keeps dropping. So double check that your internet is working fine. Solution 2. Check date and time. For that, open the settings menu on your iOS device. In settings menu, tap on general. Here scroll down and tap on date and time. Here make sure that date and time zone in your iPhone are correct. Solution 3. Delete VPN. For that, open the settings menu on your iOS device. In settings menu, tap on general. Here scroll all the way down and tap on VPN and device management. Here make sure that your iPhone is not connected to any VPN. If any VPN is connected here, then delete it. Solution 4. Update this app. For that, open the App Store app on your iPhone. In the App Store, tap on search bar at the bottom right corner of the menu. Here search for DeepSeek. Here if any update is showing here, then update it. That's all for today's video. Like our video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.